Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, in the last lecture we have did a numerical which was based on Charles law, and now we are going to do another numerical which is based on Charles law but of different type. So let us do it. So this is a numerical which is based on Charles law. So first of all, let us see that what are they asking about. So the thing is, they have said that a certain volume of a gas which occupies a volume of 0.2 dm cube at 273 Kelvin. So in this case, the temperature and the volume is been mentioned for that particular gas. And talking about the next thing is, we have to calculate the volume of the gas if its absolute temperature is doubled at the same pressure. So the first thing is, how can we analyze this, whether this is belonging to which of the numerical. So in this case, the first thing is they have mentioned at same pressure, and they have also mentioned that the presence of volume as well as the temperature, which indicates that they are talking about Charles law actually. So the thing is, now we are going to do is, we are now going to extract the data from the given question. So let us do that. So the given data says that the initial volume that what they have provided to us is, that is V1 is nothing but 0.2 dm cube, while that of the temperature, at that temperature, that is they have mentioned the temperature as basically 273 Kelvin. So now what are they have provided to us is, they have said that we have to calculate the volume of the gas, that is we have to calculate V2 if the temperature, that is if a temperature is the double of that of the absolute temperature. So therefore, suppose if I consider the temperature in the condition of V2 as T2, and they are saying that the temperature is being doubled, so therefore double than that of T1. So basically 2 into T1, which is being provided to us, is basically 273. So if I calculate this thing, so what I have got is, we have got 546 Kelvin. So in this case, the values are being provided to us, and we have to calculate the volume or value of V2. So because in this thing they have mentioned the pressure to be constant, so therefore they are asking about the Charles law. And according to Charles law, we know that according to Charles law, that is volume is directly proportional to temperature. So because they are mentioned two cases, that is V1 and V2, so I could write it as V1 divided by T1 is equals to V2 divided by T2. So this is the formula that I have to follow so as to get a proper answer. And because they are mentioning about Charles law, so therefore the pressure is constant. So this is the thing that on which I have to substitute the values. So therefore I could make it in this way. I would write it again so that we could understand and we could substitute in a right manner without any kind of mistake. So the value of V1 that they have provided to us is 0.2, while that of the temperature, that is 273, that is been mentioned. And in this case, the volume V2 is what we have to calculate when the temperature is 546 Kelvin, or being double that of the initial temperature or absolute temperature. So therefore this is 546 Kelvin. So in this case, the V2 will be, I'll multiply 0.2 by 546, the whole divided by 273, and let us see what is the answer. So the answer is 0.4, but it should be in dm cube. So this is the answer that we have got by using Charles law. But the first thing is, you should always be sure whether you are correct or not. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to compare this to data when the conditions are being different. So what they have mentioned is, when V1, that is the initial volume which was given to be 0.2 dm cube, and the temperature which was provided to be 273 Kelvin. And now what I have got is, I have got the value of V2 as 0.4 dm cube, where I could see that the temperature is being double, that is around 546 Kelvin. So in this case, suppose if I would say that when the volume is 0.2 and the temperature is 273 Kelvin, in this case, suppose if I've increased or if I've increased, I've mentioned the temperature double that of the initial one. That is, I've increased the temperature, suppose from 273 to 546. So if the temperature increases, then I have found out that the volume is also increased from 0.4, from 0.2 to 0.4. So means volume is also been increasing if the temperature is increasing. This clearly shows that this gas is following Charles law during this expansion. So this was very much simple. I hope you have understand this video. So yes, share this video with the friends, and yes, try to do this kind of numerical more and more so that you could understand and you could solve various type of numericals based on this thing. So share this video with friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.